Hello everyone, it's Diana. Welcome, or if you've been here, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for coming back and for still being here. So as you guys can see, I have all of my plants on the floor because I'm gonna redo my bookshelf and style my Vittsjo shelf. If you guys did not see the video where I was assembling this Vittsjo shelf, I'm gonna have it linked out in the description below. It should be the last video that I uploaded. All right, so we have a mess here. I need racers or pedestals, or I don't know. I don't know what you guys call them, but these, the ones with the mouse pole, I'm gonna put them on top of my shelf, my bookshelf. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna end up putting my Monstera Deliciosa back over on this side. I think this is the only plant that I'm planning on having there that's like taller, or maybe on this side. I don't know. Well, she doesn't look that bad there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave that one there. And then, oh, okay. So this one, I'm gonna put her here, but I'm gonna take her out of this pot. I gotta get her a different pot. Whoa, she needs a water. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys how everything ended up coming out. So this is the top shelf of my bookshelf. And then there I have Hoya in all four cubbies. I ended up putting the compacta over there. And my Hoya Hushkoliana, I ended up putting it right there on the bottom. Those two plants, that stood the same. I did change the plants here. Look at the leaf that my varicosum gave me. Have a little bit cosmetic damage there. I'm not sure if that's due to thrips, but yeah, that's something I'm keeping my eye on because I actually think that there's strips in this house. So this is below the TV now. And then on top, I didn't make any changes. That stood the same. And then these are rearranged. Well, a couple of them. My lithops used to be on the other window. That other succulent used to be on the other window. My pink is doing so good. She's growing. Okay, so I ended up putting my Aglonema silverbait here. And then this is the Vittsjo Shelf. It's quite noisy. The dogs are barking a lot because there's people right in front of the house talking. So I apologize. So that is my Vittsjo Shelf. Okay, and over here, don't look at the mess because I gotta clean. But over here, I ended up moving these small anthurium seedlings that I had there. It's right here. I ended up moving her over here. Then this is the cutting from my Frozen Jade. And yeah, everything else is the same. Hello, it's Sunday, and I actually built the Vittsjo Shelf on Tuesday, but I got the Barrina lights, the T5. These are 3-inch, and I'm gonna be installing it. Most likely, I'm gonna time lapse this and put a music on the background because there's a lot of noise. There's a party going on right in front of the house, and yeah. Anyways. So I got the one that comes with 8 lights. Oh my god, if I can get it out of here. Wow, they're long. I hope I took the measurements correctly and they actually fit. I just want to make sure that they fit. Whoa. Oh yeah. Yeah, they do. All right. Okay, so it comes with a lot of zip ties. It comes with 7 connectors, or whatever these are called, and all the attachments for you to either screw it, or you know what I noticed? I don't have any adhesive. Like, just kidding, the adhesive was actually in the box. So the windows are open, so you guys are probably gonna hear a lot of noise, but this is how the vid shelf came out. You guys can see that each row has 1 light attached. I was debating whether I wanted to put two lights for each road, but I decided to go with one light in each. And yes, this is how it ended up turning out. It took me about 2 weeks to finish this video, which I am glad that I was able to finish it. If you guys liked and enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, as it will help me out with the algorithm here on YouTube. Also, if you haven't done so, please be sure to subscribe and ring your notification bell so that YouTube notifies you every time I upload a new video. New videos are every Sunday at 3 p.m. EST time, and I am looking forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Bye.